For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Sushant Singh's death surely has brought the whole nepotism debate into the spotlight once again. Yesterday, as soon as Salman urged his fans to understand Sushant's fans' emotions and support them, many people slammed the Baijan of Bollywood for promoting fake sympathy. Now Star's fandom has been trending "We love you Salman Khan" on the microblogging site. Filmmaker Sandeep Singh, a close friend of Sushant, has been a source of support for his family all this while. Sandeep on his Instagram handle shared a poster of his dream film with Sushant, which would never be completed. Film Vande Bharatam is written by Raj Shandilya and it was to star Sushant in the lead role. The filmmaker has now decided to complete the film and release it in Sushant's memory. After Rhea Chakraborty and Mukesh Chabra, Sushant's close friend Siddharth Pitani was snapped leaving the Bandra police station today. According to reports, Siddharth, who used to share the apartment with Sushant, has given his statement. Sonakshi Sinha has recently quit Twitter in order to stay away from all kinds of negativity. She has recently hit back at trolls again through a hard-hitting post on Instagram. The actress has now taken to her Instagram handle in which she has taken a sly dig at all the trolls, while sharing a hilarious video of herself in which she disappears in the final scene. Sonakshi wrote, "How I got myself off Twitter and away from the negativity. Some people are celebrating like they won something." Speculations are rife that Nayanthara and her boyfriend Vignesh Shivan have tested positive for coronavirus. However, rumors about the couple were denied by their spokesperson and said this is fake news. They are healthy and keeping well at their home in Chennai. I would request everyone not to spread such news. Rana Daggubati's fiancé shared a picture in a pre-wedding outfit. Mehika wrote, "The celebrations continue." As she's seen dressed in ethnic wear and traditional jewelry, Mehika fired speculations that the pre-wedding celebrations seem to have begun at the Daggubati and Bajaj households, and fans can't help but get excited about the couple's celebration. Reputed actor of Hollywood and British cinema Ian Holm, famous for the role of Bilbo Baggins in Lord of the Rings and other popular films like Alien, passed away at the age of 88. He breathed his last after having battled Parkinson's disease for quite some time. Actress Scarlett Johansson says stars now are under more pressure to look thin and has described the situation as much worse than before. In an interview, Scarlett said, "There's a scene in one of my favorite movies, All About Eve, where Bette Davis is circling around the room, horribly upset about something, and she picks up a chocolate, puts it down, picks it up again, puts it down again. Finally, she gives in and eats it, but only after a huge struggle." Sushant's death opened up several debates revolving around nepotism. Sonam Kapoor was targeted by the trolls recently over the same. She took to social media and shared a glimpse of the hate comments coming her way. On receiving such comments, the actress wrote that karma is the biggest leveler and that she hopes that God and the universe forgives the people passing such comments. Karma is the biggest leveler.